A sadhak went to a guru. He fell at his feet and begged, "Guru, please be kind to me and accept me as your disciple." The guru placed his hand on his head and said, "It is possible, but you will have to do some work to become a disciple. Then you will become my disciple." "What work will you have to do?" the would-be disciple asked. "First, you have to work as a servant in my house. Winter is coming, isn't it? You have to go to the forest every day and bring wood. Besides, you are also responsible for cooking. Do these works for 6 months. Then I will tell you what to do." The disciple kept asking with his mouth open, "It is right that the guru works, but I am coming as a seeker of truth and knowledge. What is the connection between this work of cutting wood, cooking, and the act of acquiring knowledge?" "Yes, there is a connection. That is why I am telling you these works," said the guru. "What is the connection, Guru?" "Cutting wood and cooking are physical activities. Acquiring knowledge is a mental activity, isn't it?" The disciple asked. "All these activities prepare your mind for discipleship. They reduce the ego of the mind, bring obedience, and stabilize devotion to the guru." "No, Guru, if these activities temper the mind and turn it towards knowledge, shouldn't the carpenters and housewives who always do these activities and cook at home already be wise?" The disciple asked. The guru's face showed lines of annoyance. "Alapa, it is not important to just do the work. When you do the work with devotion and respect for the guru, your mind becomes worthy of becoming the guru's disciple and accepting what he says," said the guru. "Instead, what does the guru do at this time?" The disciple asked impatiently. "The guru does nothing. He observes everything and gives directions on what to do," said the guru. The disciple's face brightened. He immediately said, "Then Guru, train me to become a guru. Instead of becoming a disciple, I will become a guru. Because my mind is now ready to become a guru. I have to work so hard to become a disciple." "Becoming a guru is easy," said the hurried disciple. "Now everything is fast food days. Everything has to be done in a hurry. I have to get educated quickly, get rich, and become famous quickly. There is a rush in some things. But in some things, especially when it comes to understanding and upholding the values of life, acquiring knowledge, and teaching patriotism, there is no rush. They slowly sink into us and strengthen our personality."